How to take good pictures with iPhone on portrait. So if you prefer to take photos on your iPhone using the portrait mode instead of using the default photos or panel, then this video is going to walk you through a quick workaround that's going to give you the best photo ever taken with portrait. So I'm just going to show you 2 steps I used to take portrait photos with the best results. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is, let's say I want to take a portrait photo of this particular item. Now go ahead and open your camera. Then once you open your camera, make sure this item is well positioned and then you move it far away from the portraits, because you're going to be told to move closer or move further away. You can see I have moved further away. Then to take a perfect portrait photo with your iPhone, all you need to do is this. Once you selected portrait, swipe up on the portrait like this. You're going to see this menu comes up. Click on flashlight and make sure your flash is on. That's the first thing. Then click on the screen and then drag the slider downward. Make sure the slider is dragged downward to reduce the brightness of the photo, not forgetting that you have your light setup or natural light. Then leave it and then click on the shutter button. Then once taken, go ahead and check the photo. You see that? So you're going to have the best possible photo or portrait ever. So I've used this several times and it's what I use to take all the photos I have on my iPhone. That's it. So these are all portrait photos. All these are portrait photos. So I use portrait with this setup I just showed you to take this picture. So I just set this up and then instructed a third party to take it for me. You see that? So all these pictures are taken on my iPhone using portrait by turning on the flashlight and at the same time reduce the brightness on the picture to nearly 0. So these are all portrait photos. You see that? So the best you can do when taking portrait photo is make sure you have enough natural light, and then thereafter make sure the natural light is focused on the device, and then turn on flashlight. After turn on flashlight, then reduce stuff like this, and then go ahead and take your picture. So that is the best way you can take a perfect portrait photos on your iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.